Good morning, everybody. Today is October 30th, 2025. We are trading. Back to trading. Market took a shit overnight. I don't think if any of you guys saw. So the Fed did cut rates as expected. Means they're just going to be able to print more money in the future. Everyone knows that. What is going to happen next in December? I think they hinted at it before. They're going to cut rates again in December, but this time they said they weren't sure. So we'll see if we'll get another rate cut in December. But credit's running thin. Credit spreads are running thin. So it means everyone can borrow for really, I don't know. Borrowing is going to be even higher, even bigger high, and then probably the federal government is going to start printing money in 2026. It means the economy's going to shit. So if you guys didn't realize that, economy's probably going to shit. All right, today I'm going to be trading my Ignite account, which is up $700, and then I passed the Top Step eval yesterday. Hold on, my cat's here. Kitty. Yeah, passed the Top Step eval yesterday, so I'm gonna trade that as well. On the Top Step eval, I'm trading YM, and on the Ignite, I'm trading MES. So I don't have YM on Bookmap, so I'm gonna be trading YM without Bookmap. I've been doing good on YM, so might as well do that for the culture. Give me 1 second. Is my live on? Yeah, it is on. It's weird. It should show that I'm live. Am I not showing this live right now? No. Okay. So what do we expect the market to do today? To be honest, I'm not too sure. To be honest, I'm not too sure what the market's going to do today. YM's back up after dropping overnight. ES dropping even more. On ES, we just rejected New York. We had a lot of right here buy icebergs, but we have some sell icebergs that came into play. Keeping it patient today. I kind of want to see some structure first, if you know what I mean. We do have targets. Probably going to reach that 68.85 target first before we reach anything else. We do have some volume nodes are down here. Means there's some orders that probably want to go down there. I don't see anything to the upside. Nothing of importance. My initial thought is that we're gonna reject New York and go down or sweep stops above New York, as we're doing right there, and then probably chase those downside orders because we got a lot of them. Just waiting for the confirmation to do that. On YM, I'm seeing what YM's gonna do if it wants to keep going up. Getting some buy icebergs. Delta's at negative 3,000. $68.85. See if we reach that level. YM broke out of opening range. Looks like volume slowing down for YM. The cat industry was up like 10% today, so it could be a rally for YM. That's probably most sectors are switching into regular industrials instead of tech. Yes, is going back to opening range high, which is interesting. Did not expect that. Looks like some of those downside orders got removed. Complete switch in order flow. Got some volume nodes right here at 69.10. Could be the target. Like I said, I want to see more structure set up. I want to see if these orders are valid. It looks like everything's rallying back up. Broke out of opening range pretty strongly. Yeah, oh, wow, okay. Yeah, so we just went up 28 points on ES. YM is up 400 points as well since it opened. And we just swept a bunch of stops above opening range. Wow. If we break below opening range, I might take a short to New York. Same thing with YM. Do I see this thing pushing upwards even more? I really doubt it. I mean, I don't see any collective orders to the upside besides at 69.87. 69 what? Yeah, so that's 100 points, and I doubt ES is moving 100 points today. So I have one ready at opening range. We're in the market. Oh, I got brutally screwed. Took the bottom again. Shit. 1,000 icebergs. Wow. 0 retracement downward. I cannot believe it. Huh. It might have been a little early. Holy fuck. That's not fucking nice at all. Seems like all those downside orders got removed. Might hop out of this position if it doesn't start going down. Shit. The breakout of opening range was nuts. It tapped opening range, right? It just hit my limit, one tick into my limit, and completely reversed upward. Like, that is insane. That's my luck, though. That is my luck. Probably should have thought of that before taking that entry. This shit's really not slowing down. Wow. Oh, it came up to overnight. Fuck. I didn't realize overnight was the target. Well, we all make mistakes, I guess. It's gonna fly past overnight? Really? Yeah, it is. Alright, I'm gonna close this position out in a sec. Seeing a big rejection of overnight. I did add 5 to my position. Did hedge it a little bit. See if it works. I'm seeing a lot of icebergs getting put in. A lot of sellers are coming into the market. So I'm going to hold this position. I do see it retracing downward. Too many stops and too many icebergs put in. So I'm gonna put a short on YM. Oh. Should see this retrace down back to opening range. Those buyers are going to take this even higher. Which I doubt. The only reason S&P's up is because the Dow's moving like crazy. If the Dow starts retracing, which it is now, I mean S&P's going to retrace as well. This shouldn't be a bearish day or bullish day. Should just remain bearish. It's probably collecting some liquidity, doing a stop run. For anyone who was short, no, they're probably going to target shorts. Jeez. Oh, wow. Wow, okay. Oh, thank you for that. That's fucking beautiful. What the hell just happened? ES should fall now. Just did a quick stop run, 700 stops into some icebergs. Sell-fi contract on the Dow. I do see this retracing now. Wow, what the hell is going on? That's really nice. It's really nice. And then retracement. Okay. My dialed position's going downward, which is good. Almost in profit on ES. ES is in profit. It was in profit for like 30 seconds, 5 seconds. I don't really see the bulls attacking now, so gives me more confidence in this play as seller volume's picking up. That's nice. I have a buy limit at opening range. Same with YM. Oh no, don't tell me. Wow. Wow. Fuck, full loss on YM. That's ridiculous, dude. What is that? Oh, I'm gonna retry that YM position. That was such a good position too. Took me out. Just a random retracement, dude. Like, come on. Sellers are clearly in the market. Come on. Oh, really? Again? Oh, this is some fucking bullshit, bro. So much seller volume. Got such a big iceberg wall too. Fuck me, man. The Dow just doesn't want to stop moving up. Should have been long on the Dow. Fucking Dow, dude. I like that. Target's still opening range. Should see the Dow start moving downward too. Yes, it's now moving downward. Dow should follow soon. Nice. Nice. The fucking Dow, dude. I'm gonna. Oh. Targeting shorts on the Dow might be the most irritating thing in the world. Because there's like no buyer volume at all on the Dow. But then it just like completely retraces randomly. Yes, it's short selling. Come on, don't do it again. Let's continue to move downward. Fuck. No way. Come on. There you go. I got some icebergs. Dow's falling now. In profit on the Dow. I'm up 200, 250 on ES. Come on. Hit TP1. TP1 hits. Damn, dude, that Dow position just doesn't look fucking clean. Getting some buy icebergs, also worrying me on ES. Move my stop to break even on ES. The only reason I'm still in the Dow is because of the slow volume from the buyers. Not really taking it up. Still have New York and overnight to target. The Dow just doesn't want to move right now. Oh, never mind. It's moving back up. ES is moving back up as well. After it touched overnight. I think we might see the Dow drop soon. I'm taking another short sell on ES. Once we get that retracement downward. Sell another 5 contracts. It's a nice little catch. Target's going to be its previous low that I created. Should be a full TP hit. Literally like 3 ticks away. All right. Full daily profit hit on that account. I understand why the Dow isn't dropping though. Dow should be dropping soon. It just doesn't want to. So I'm just going to focus on my Dow position. ES is dropping quite a bit. The Dow won't just won't give me a good move. I don't know why. I gotta get the book map of the Dow. Oh, come on. I find it very hard to believe that the Dow is going to keep pushing higher. Oh my god. The fucking Dow. I don't understand what's pushing the Dow up besides CAT. Everything else is dropping. Oh, that shit's flinging higher. Oh my god. We have like 6 equal highs on the Dow. And it's retracing its position every time. Yes, Dow. Yes. Keep chooching. Come on. What is that retracement? I can't. What the fuck is the Dow doing? I've never seen such heavy consolidation on the Dow. Come on, Dow, don't kill me. Dow killed me. Shit, dude. What the fuck? The fucking Dow. You gotta be shitting me. I always have bad luck with these top step accounts. I'm not gonna stunt. Shit. There we go. Fucking something. Dow doesn't want to offer me anything. Alright, I'm in profit on the Dow now. Jeez, it keeps edging me, bro. Oh my god, why? What's ES doing? ES is just falling. For fuck's sake, dude. Why is the Dow just killing me? Oh. I might be the only person shorting the Dow at this moment. But I'm a brave soul. I shouldn't have been a brave soul. My hypothesis on the Dow is since the volume to the upside has slowed down to like basically nothing, and we're seeing large, you know, seller volume coming in short notice, you'd assume it would start falling, retrace at least to New York overnight or even just opening range. But without heat map, I mean, that's just an assumption. So I guess that was a mistake on my part. I mean, I've seen the setup a million times. And it works about 60-70% of the time. So looks like in this case, it just doesn't want to move downward. Yeah, it looks like we're going to get completely screwed out of this position. Unless it falls. ES made that complete retracement back to New York and overnight. So you're going to assume that the Dow would too. It's coming back to its opening range. Or maybe, I don't know. All of these key levels down there to retrace to, especially since volume has slowed down, you know. I'm in 20 contracts on the Dow. It's a little bold of me, but I am an optimist, so to say. I shouldn't have been an optimist. Man, the Dow hates me. I have some kind of like some kind of anger issues towards me. Come on, Dow, give me my retracement. Yes, Dow. Yes. That's what I was looking for. Just don't sweep liquidity. Invisible liquidity. No, Dow. Don't retrace. Please don't retrace. This is like a full candle close without any retracements on the candle. Then it's a pretty high confluence that we're gonna keep going downward. Oh, fuck you, Dow. 9:15 candle opened, or 9:30 candle. Oh, the fucking Dow. Yeah, my mistake was I'm just too heavy in on the Dow. I shouldn't be taking a big loss. Trying to short a market that's going up. Yeah, my position's screwed. RIP the Top Step XFA. $20 contracts on the Dow. Dow offers 0 retracement. I said, hell nah. I'm taking your money. The Dow did help me pass my Top Step eval, so maybe it's kind enough to retrace downward like it's supposed to. Considering we got no volume in the market right now. Collect some liquidity to the downside. Nope. There are sellers in this market, I'm telling you guys. It's just a matter of when. Based on auction market theory, I mean, if we're coming into slow consolidation, there's a very good possibility of a reversal back down to either the point of control or to New York VWAP or overnight VWAP. It's a setup I've taken a million times. Usually I like to have the heat map with me on that, but in this case scenario, I don't have the heat map on YM, so I can't really see for sure. So I'm making an assumption. Oh my god. Fucking YM, bro. Just destroying me. Coming into yesterday's opening range, low. Oh, God. Check out the 15-minute time frame. Oh, hell nah. My position's so cooked. Unless we reject off opening range low of yesterday. Or we might come into yesterday's high. That'd be crazy if we come into yesterday's high. Nah, this position's so cooked. Oh my god. Unbelievably cooked. Why did I try to short it? Oh, such a good setup though. Fuck. Fuck you, Dow. Fucking dick. Zero retracement, my ass. Acting like there's no seller volume in the market. There wasn't even a bottom wick on this fucking candle, dude. Not even a bottom wick. What the fuck is going on? Well, top step eval cooked as hell. Praying and holding right now. Is it rejecting? I was one tick away from my stop loss. Ah, of course. Of course, of course. Nope. This thing is just moving with ease to the upside. Hundred points of drawdown with the Dow. Zero retracement is fucking nuts. Oh my god. Hmm. Stop loss hit. Oof. Terrible. Terrible. See how ES is doing. ES is flying. I'm in ES shorts right now. I like how ES is looking at this moment. Getting a lot of seller icebergs. Nice. Oh, that was nice until it retraced backwards. TP1's going to be at overnight. Let's break that candle's low. Come on, ES, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. I mean, I think we should hit our target of overnight. New York's right under it as well. A lot of liquidity to the downside. I do see some buy icebergs, which do worry me quite a bit. Because why are there buy icebergs before we even hit overnight? That's a great question. That's a great question. But the way I see seller volume coming in, I don't think it should be that big of an issue. We're getting counteractive sell icebergs, so it could just be a small retracement to the downside. See, sellers are picking up. They're going to try to move price downward. There are some buyers right here. Get a closer look at this. It was a little delayed. Marcel icebergs broke that low, It's a good sign. Got a lot of buy icebergs that came in. TP1 hit at overnight. See if this thing drags any lower. This thing's dragging lower. Coming into New York. See if we get a retracement off New York or not. Not really. Seller volume's holding steady. I think we should break past New York pretty easily. Come into those volume nodes to the downside right here. Big sweep of buyer liquidity. Seller liquidity. We are bouncing off New York a little bit, but it's not worrying me at this moment. See, sellers are still in. Getting more sell orders. Few buy icebergs, but nothing that really worries me all too much. Still pretty good position. That's really nice. That's really nice. Should see this thing keep pushing downward. I might retrace back into VWAPs. Not too sure. It's coming back into VWAPs a little bit. We've tapped into a lot of buy icebergs. There's still too many sellers in the market, from what it seems like. Unless we just sweep New York, which could also be a possibility. But it doesn't look like buyers are taking this anywhere. We came under New York and we're rejecting under New York. So we're going to hold this position. Oh, thank you, buyers. Swept a bunch of stops. Doesn't look like there might be any more sell icebergs. Still waiting. Sellers are still in control of this position. It's a big sweep. Big sweep. Could come down to opening range low. Could be the target. Let's see if we break below the VWAPs. The way we're rejecting VWAPs, it looks like that might be a good possibility. Still have a lot of liquidity to the downside. Orders building back downward. Yeah, we're getting a lot of seller volume. Taking the buyers out. Delta's up to negative 2,200. A lot of sellers in the market, guys. A lot of sellers. Let's see if these sellers hold and break New York completely. Yeah, sellers are holding strong, but I want to break this candle's low right here. Swept liquidity once again. So we're breaking above overnight again, which we might be. Not too sure just yet. Not really a strong break above. Still gives me confidence to the downside. Really in a consolidation period. I see a lot of buy icebergs, but it doesn't seem to be moving price up at all. 800 icebergs barely got him out above New York. And still never hit any of that, any of those orders to the downside too. So keep this position in. Ay, ay, ay. I wonder what the Dow did. Dow retraced. Okay. As soon as it stopped me out. The Dow's going back up. I'm going to be safe with S&P. But it looks like seller volumes not kicking back in. Got 3 sell icebergs and that's it. I might step out of this position soon if we don't reverse. I get more sell icebergs. Because there's really not, I mean, except this target up here. I don't really have targets to the upside, but price is moving. It means buyers still want some kind of piece of the pie. We're seeing a lot more aggressive sellers though, so keeping an eye on that. Yeah, sellers are not hopping in. Are they? Nope. I'm out. Man. Alright, so I blew my top step eval. I don't know why. That was so idiotic of me. Anyways, don't follow my lead on that. This is on my main account. 3 days green on this one. I had one losing trade. I didn't think I had a losing trade. Yeah, profit factor of 6, 83% win percentage. If I actually have the book map, actually I can profit. Apparently I broke even on one short. That's interesting. So my only loss is a break-even loss. That's weird. Yeah, but I was stupid. I was gambling with the top step eval. Not eval, fucking funded. I don't know why I was doing that. It's whatever. I'm not gonna complain about it. I took shorts on the Dow. That was a fucking stupid idea. But it is whatever. I'm not gonna complain. But yes, not bad. Can't complain. Cannot complain. Dow didn't retrace 1 second because, yes, thank you, Dow. Holy fuck, my portfolio's down. That's not something I want to see.
beautiful start to the morning.
Really nice start on this account, though. Not gonna stun on it. Payout limit on this is only 1,000 though, which kind of sucks. The short I took on this account was actually pretty nice. Well, not nice, right? So I set a limit order right here. And, well, overnight was up here, right? So I don't know what the hell happened. So overnight was right here. So I actually, what's it called? So I had a limit order right here, tapped me in by 1 tick, and then just shot straight up. That has been, yeah. And then I added in another one right here. Like I said, I was pretty confident I was going short. Overnight was somewhere above right here. Stopped above overnight. Target 1-to-1, 13 points. Price started chopping around, coming in and out, and then it started finally going down. Went down. I took out 5. I re-entered 5 here. Took out total right here for a daily profit of 363. So not terrible. Can't complain about it. Stupid of me to gamble my fucking Top Step account. I always do it. I don't know why. Like every time I trade Top Step, I think it's just from the PTSD of blowing so many accounts that I decided to blow that one too. Because like on these Ignite accounts and like the on just like the fucking bot fundeds, I mean I do pretty well on. But every time I hop on a Top Step account, I always blow it for some reason. I don't know why. I think it's just like emotionally ingrained in me. So that's why I don't ever like use Top Step accounts ever. But since I had a free reset, I was like, fuck it. I passed the account, and then when I passed the account, I bought it today. So yeah. Yeah, started shooting up after rejecting New York. That's fucking ridiculous. That's fucking ridiculous. What did I say? My target opening range low? Yeah, right. Anyways. Oh shit. I didn't realize how many buyers are in the market. Alright, that's gonna conclude my trading day, guys. You got to see me blow an account live. Yeah. That's why I'm never buying a Top Step account ever again, because it's just so ridiculous. I can't control my emotions with a Top Step account. On this account, I was perfectly fine. I had short idea, got reversed. Then I added in 5 because I saw the volume coming down. All right, and then I hit full TP on that. All right, just targeting opening range low at that point. Just kind of equal out price range. When I think I took out that first order right here, I think it was break even because of that fucking entry. Broke even on that one. And then the one I was actually up right here, that one was in profit, added in the 5 more, and then I got out for 10. Right here would have been a better entry. I have no problem of adding in into drawdown. I was only in for 5 contracts. I think I was down maybe 250 at this point, like right about here. 250 bucks is not terrible. So I was like, fuck it. I do see this coming down. I don't think this is going to go up like YM. I thought YM was going to retrace, but it never did. But instead, ES did retrace because we had those orders to the downside. We we didn't break far above New York and overnight. So once it did come down, I had my initial targets, ended up hitting full TP on that. All right. So in reality, I only have one loss on this account because one of them is a break-even trade. So you can see here, I lost $3 because of fees. What the hell are you gonna do about that? Nothing. But yeah. So 10 winning trades, 1 losing, 1 break-even. Kind of sucks you can only get paid out $1,000 from this account. I should have bought like 3 or 4, but what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Can't do nothing. Well, that's gonna conclude the trading day for me, guys. Hope you guys did well. It's a good high volume day. If you're able to target shorts, which is good. If you're able to target longs, also very nice. I mean, you guys retracement deck down to here. That's 26 points on ES, which is pretty substantial. So hope you guys had a good day. Hope you guys were up for the day. So peace.